And we're going to show you how to set up your LG on the network really fast, and then also how to install and configure the remotes for your iPhone. There's an app for your iPhone that allows you to do all these, utilize all these controls with the app that LG offers. So the first setup, we're going to just show you how to get the LG online on your network, and then we'll go to the app. So what you want to do is, if you hit the Smart TV function on your phone and you have your cursor here, if you bring it up, you have this option here in the top right is your gear or the settings menu. You can click on that, and you want to go down to the bottom and hit advanced. Now you can also get to the same menu here. There's a gear button on your remote. You just hit that and you come right here to this options, and then you go to advanced. So I'm going to click advanced, and I'm in the settings menu for the LG, and you want to go down here. You have picture, sound, channel. You want to go to network. Alright, the first thing you want to do is give your LG a name. So this is the name for this device. This is what will appear on the network for it. Currently we have a wired connection or Ethernet connection, and then a wireless Wi-Fi connection. Currently mine is just plugged in with a Cat5 patch cable into the router, but if you want to utilize the Wi-Fi connection, just go ahead and utilize this option and go through picking the SSID or your network and putting in your password for your Wi-Fi connection. We'll quickly click in here. It gives you an IP address, tells you what the DNS server is and everything, but that's quickly how you can set it up. This is very easy to do. I don't really feel I need to go into exactly each step of it. Just follow the instructions and you can get your TV on the network. The next thing you want to go down here is to LG Connect Apps. Click on that guy, and you want to turn this switch on. Okay, so turn it on, and that's all you need to do to get your LG on the network. Now once it's on the network, you'll be able to configure the app on your iPhone to connect to it and control the TV from your iPhone. Another option I'd like for you to do, and you probably want to make sure you do this, go to General, use your mouse, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and go to About This TV, and you want to check for updates. Go ahead and select that. And you want to make sure your TV is utilizing the latest version of the software and firmware. So you also, I have allow automatic updates on. This is something you should do. Maybe you've tried this before and it didn't work. So go ahead and check for updates. Once again, that is in the General tab. You scroll all the way down to the bottom. You can use the roll button on your remote to scroll up or down, or just go to these arrows and click, and as you can see, that scrolls you up and down. About This TV, and check for updates. Okay, once you do that, we're going to go, you're all set. Your LG should be on your network. As you can see, you should see all the features and everything that gets you your online content. And now we're going to go to downloading the app and getting that connected to the television so you can control it from your iPhone.
Now make sure your iPhone is on your home Wi-Fi, and go to the App Store and search for LG TV Plus. Once you have that, go ahead and select it and download that LG TV Plus app. Let it download and open it up, and go ahead and accept the license agreement, user agreement, and you'll do a search for the TV. Once it finds the TV, hit that, and you'll see a code appear on your TV screen. Take that code and enter it back into the app, and you'll be granted access to control the TV. So go ahead and allow hit OK to access the photos and your media, your iPhone library, your media library there. And you can see it's configured just like the remote on your handheld remote. You have your volume and your channel controls. At the bottom, in the bottom left, hit the other side, and that's the cursor control. So when you put your finger in that box, it moves the cursor around on the TV. And also at the top right, you'll see another switch to switch it to kind of like the highlight control. So you can, it looks like the controls right at the middle of your handheld remote where the circle and the scroll bar is, so you can move it that way. And that switches it back and forth to that. And so you're all connected. Now if you hit the TV menu button, you'll have your app selection. You hit any one of those, the app should pop up and you should go ahead and be able to use that. And then you can, when you switch back here, you can use the cursor to do the selection of what you want to see and what you want to do. It works pretty well. There's a little lag sometimes, and it depends upon your network traffic, but it works pretty well. I tend to use it when I can't find my remote. And you can also go ahead and select the input. So when you hit the TV menu button, you can switch from the HDMI 1 to your cable box, or any other HDMI connections that you have, I have an Xbox I put on it, and I can quickly select that. We'll see that in a second, and that's it. I mean, you have control over your TV, and go ahead and feel free to explore a little bit, hit everything, and one thing that happens, it will disconnect if not used, so it'll do a connection each time you open up the app. So you'll see that. You're also able to control aspects of Netflix when you're in it, and just like, let's say if you open up Netflix independently, you can broadcast from there, and also you can use it to do YouTube video broadcasts right from the app itself. It works pretty well. So give it a shot, and I hope this video was helpful to you. I enjoy these features on the TV and using it. It makes it a lot more dynamic, and you can also, if you look around a little bit, you can also broadcast your photos up there. We'll go back to select the TV inputs there. You can see live TV, AV component, cable box. I have Xbox One, so it'll rename those on your TV to get those to be renamed. And I thanks for tuning in here. I hope that this was helpful to you. If you can give me a like and a subscribe, that'd be fantastic. If you found it was some value to you, I appreciate it. And you take care. We'll see you on the next video.